In this video, I'll show you how to enable IMAP in Gmail, so your emails stay perfectly synced across all your devices. Let's get into it. First, open Gmail in your browser and sign in. Head to the top right corner and click the gear icon to open Settings. From the drop-down that appears, select See All Settings to get to the full settings page. Once you're there, click on the Forwarding and POP/IMAP tab along the top. This is where Gmail handles all third-party email client access. Scroll down to the IMAP Access section. In most cases, IMAP will already be enabled, but if it isn't, simply select Enable IMAP. This is the setting that keeps your inbox in sync, whether you're on your phone, tablet, or desktop. Finally, scroll to the bottom of the page and hit Save Changes. That's all there is to it. Your Gmail is now set up with IMAP and ready to sync across every device you use. If you found this helpful, stick around. More tips are coming your way.